How to use flight credits on American Airlines. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use flight credits on American Airlines. So the first thing to do is to log in into the American Airlines website. That is, visit the American Airlines website. Then once you are on the website, on the home page, you'll see a number of things such as American plan travel, travel information, AA advantage to see, and then you see book, and then afterwards you'll see manage trips slash check in. So for the purpose of this tutorial, our focus is on manage trips slash check in. So just go ahead and click on it this way. Then once you click on it, just scroll down for you to see what's under it. Then you see manage trips slash check-in. Then what you need to do is to input the passenger's last name here. And then after that, you input the ticket number. Once you've done that, you go ahead and click on find your trip. Once you click on find your trip, you'll be directed to a page where you see your flight credits. It could be $500, it could be $100. Now, these credits depends on how much you use American Airlines to fly. Okay, if you use it more often, you will have more flight credits. So once you see the flight credits you have, you go ahead, you click on rebook trip. Then once you click on rebook trip, another web page will be displayed, and then you would see use flight credits or trip credits. You select flight credits. Then from there, you'll be asked to input your ticket number. Again, go ahead, input it, and then you'll be able to use your flight credits on American Airlines. So it's very simple. Just follow the process. That is how you can use your flight credits on American Airlines. So go ahead and use those flight credits today. Thanks for watching.